Hello my ka-fans, it's Ganmel Joe and I'm back with another video. This time around, susuriin po natin ang kit bash ko about the Tallgeese Flugel. Ito ay combination ng kits to achieve etong nakikita po ninyo sa video ngayon. Okay, syempre kailangan natin ng base unit which is Tallgeese 1. This one is by the band. At syempre, para sa wing part, kailangan po natin ng wing part from Master Grade Wing 0. This one is from another brand which is TP Hongli. Okay, and last but not the least, siyempre, kailangan mo ng lance para makumpleto si Flugel Tallgeese. And this lance comes from Tallgeese 2 from the band, as you can see on the photo. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, may dalawa pong set ng lance at halberd for the Tallgeese 2 from the band that you can use on this kit bash. Siyempre, ito pong headpiece version. Pwede kayong gumamit ng flat plates pero ginamit ko dito ay mga lumang plastic from an old kit. Gagamitin po natin to, replacing the original one para sa ating Tallgeese Flugel version. Okay, gamit po ang lumang master grade ko na may mga missing parts tulad nito. Ang ginawa ko po ay dinismantle ko yung chest part and tinanggal ko po yung attachment so that I can use this wing piece para sa back part nitong Tallgeese 1. Let me remove the thrusters. So ito po, papakita ko po sa inyo kung paano ko ito ginawa. So madali lang naman siya. I just did some modification para madali ko siyang ma-detach dito sa back. At tatanggalin po natin itong thruster connector piece. Okay, so at ibalik po natin itong Tallgeese chest part sa main unit. At para magawa ko po itong modification ay kinabit ko po itong piece na ito na galing sa wing 0 and I did some modification using glue or super glue, and then I also use this knife to trim yung part na yon sa ilalim ng connector piece para ma-slide ko siya at maikabit using this one na mighty band or super glue for it to stay on the actual kit on the back piece. And as you can see, permanent po siya, so hindi nyo na po siya pwedeng gamitin dun sa Tallgeese or sa wing 0 master grade. Now let's put this back on. At ito na po yung final finished product sa ating logo. At of course, ginawa ko rin po sa kabilang wing to match the other piece. Okay, moving on sa next piece. This is yung head fin. I did use the old plastics from an older kit that I have, and I actually use some glue to create layers, and then I did some trimming using my knife, and pininturahan ko po siya ng metallic red. Satisfied ako sa result ng project na ito. Pero sa nakikita nyo, may mga missing parts talaga yung wings, and that's the reason why I have decided to create yung Tallgeese Flugel as a weekend project, so that I can see if that is achievable. And base sa nakikita po ninyo, okay naman yung kinalabasan, kaya niyang i-present yung closed wing version. And since I have the lens, I use that, so not bad at all. So I'm planning to buy another Tallgeese to complete my Tallgeese lineup, since this one was created specifically for a Tallgeese Flugel version. Well, that's it for me for now. Hope you like this short video presentation on how to do your own version, and I will see you on the next review. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye for now.